Hello guys, you're welcome to our YouTube channel. Please ensure you subscribe and also press the notification bell so you can be getting latest update of our news. All right, 24 billion naira fraud. I swear by Holy Quran that Buhari told the EFCC to drop Goje's case. Actually, una know before say Goje now one of the Senate presidency aspirants, but as of few days ago, he tell us say he don't step down for Ahmed Lawal. But he no state any reason. He just say he don't step down for Ahmed Lawal. Now this information dey reach us say this is the reason why Goje step down for Senator Ahmed Lawal. A US-based Nigeria academic wey be say him name na Dr. Farouk Gberogi, he don accuse President Muhammadu Buhari. He say na he order the EFCC, that is Economic and Financial Crime Commission, so that they go withdraw from the case of 25 billion naira fraud wey the former Gombe governor Senator Danjuma Goje dey involved in. According to Gberogi, na professor for Kennesaw State University in Georgia. He come made this accusation in a series of tweets on Saturday morning. He say they tell people say Buhari na tell people EFCC say make they withdraw from the 8 years old case and make they no bother again. He say make they transfer the case to the office of the Attorney General of the Federation. So now he go take here and judge that. He say make the EFCC withdraw. He say they should withdraw the case from Goje. Say the case will involve after 24 hours. Say Goje don't step down for Senator Ahmed Lawal. The EFCC can withdraw from the case. He say that shows say the president hand dey inside. According to him, he say Goje now the senator who they represent Gombe Central. He can't accept say he withdraw from the Senate presidency race in favor of Senator Lawal just to please the APC preferred choice. Farouk Onrai say, I have just learned from someone, say get witness from someone, say that witness the meeting between Danjuma Goje and Buhari in Aso Rock. He say Buhari, who personally gave order that Goje 25 billion naira fraud case be withdrawn. According to him, he said na the condition where Goje give Buhari say or else he no go support Ahmed Lawal. He say but if they go fit stop that thing, stop the case of a 25 billion naira fraud, he say go give all in support to Senator Ahmed Lawal for Senate president. He say I swear, Professor Farouk Gberogi na dey swear now. He say I swear with the Holy Quran. He dey swear with the Holy Quran that say now wetin happen be this before Goje gree step down for Ahmed Lawal. He say Buhari himself na fraudster and he go always be. In fact, say this thing no surprise am at all. Na wetin the man talk o. Say come dey pity people wey be say they follow am, the idiot wey dey think, wey dey believe say Buhari get integrity. No say he just dey deceive them. No be me talk this one, but truly, this government, they know them, say they fight corruption. I beg, I know they criticize the government. I don't want to talk bad against the government. But more we look into this case now, more we see if truly the government, if truly say waiting Farouk they talk now true, the government, the president himself, he do well. Goje na just one person, just one senator, so he get only one vote. Why he go accept this kind of negotiation? Just because he won't endorse Senator Ahmed Lawal for presidency. Well, this na big thinking for us. We need to think very well. Then we can't drop our comments so we go share our view, open our mind also. All right, now don't forget to watch Aka Jesus TV and also now to subscribe to our news channel. All right, thank you. Nado.